The application was unable to start correctly. Error each 0xc000007b. If you are seeing this right now, do not worry. I will show you exactly how to fix it in 7 proven steps.
This error means Windows found a DLL file with the wrong architecture. It is basically a 32-bit app trying to load a 64-bit library or vice versa. This is one of the most common Windows errors, and it affects thousands of games and applications every single day.
Fix number 1, and this works about 80% of the time. Reinstall the Visual C Redistributable. Open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, and uninstall every Visual C Redistributable entry you see. Then download the latest versions from Microsoft's official website. You need both the x86 and x64 installers. This is the critical step that most people miss. Even on a 64-bit system, 32-bit apps need the x86 version. Install both, restart your computer, and try launching your app again.
Fix number 2, repair DirectX. If you are getting this error in games, this is essential. Download the DirectX end-user runtime web installer from Microsoft's website. Run the installer. It safely adds all the legacy DirectX 9, 10, and 11 files without touching DirectX 12. Restart your computer and launch your game again.
Fix number 3. Use the built-in Windows repair tools. Open Command Prompt as administrator. First, run DIS with the RestoreHealth command. This repairs your Windows system image. It can take 10 to 30 minutes. Then run the system file checker with the scannow command. This repairs corrupted system DLLs. If it says it found corrupt files and repaired them, you are in good shape.
Fix number 4. Repair the .NET framework. Go to Control Panel and search for Turn Windows Features On or Off. Uncheck .NET Framework, restart your computer, then re-enable it. Windows will download a fresh copy. Restart once more and test your application.
Fix number 5. And this one surprises many people. Check Windows Defender Exploit Protection. Open Windows Security, go to App and Browser Control, then Exploit Protection Settings. Try turning off Validate Heap Integrity or add your specific application to the exclusion list. But keep Control Flow Guard enabled, as it is critical for security.
Fix number 6 for advanced users. Use a free tool called Dependencies to find the exact broken DLL. Open the application's .exe file in Dependencies. Look for DLLs highlighted in red or yellow. These are missing or have the wrong architecture. For example, if you see msvcp14t.dll marked as x86 mismatch in a 64-bit process, you know exactly what to fix.
Fix number 7, the last resort. Perform a clean boot. Type msconfig, hide all Microsoft services, disable everything else, and restart. Also run a disk check with the chkdsk command to find bad sectors that might be corrupting DLL files. You can also try reinstalling the application, running a malware scan, or updating Windows.
Now let me explain what is actually happening under the hood. On a 64-bit Windows system, System 32 contains 64-bit DLLs and SysWow 64 contains 32-bit DLLs. Yes, the names are backwards and confusing. When a 32-bit application tries to load a 64-bit DLL, the Windows loader rejects it with status lvalid image format, which is error 0xc0007b. This typically happens after a Windows update replaces shared DLLs or when the wrong version of Visual C Redistributable was installed.
Here are all 8 root causes ranked by frequency. Number 1 is the 32-bit and 64-bit DLL architecture mismatch. Number 2, corrupted Visual C Redistributable. Number 3, DirectX runtime corruption. Number 4, .NET framework damage. Number 5, Windows Defender exploit protection blocking DLL loading. Number 6, disk or file system errors. Number 7, malware replacing system DLLs. And number 8, registry corruption.
To prevent this error in the future, keep your Visual C redistributables updated. Install Windows updates regularly. Run antivirus scans periodically, and create system restore points as a safety net. And remember the fix order: VC++ redistributable first, then DirectX, then SFC, and DISM, then .NET Framework, then Defender, and finally, the disk check.
If this video helped you fix the error, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Windows error fix guides, and leave a comment below telling me which fix worked for you. See you in the next video.